Sorry, like this is just what's happening. Pajama bottoms. And gosh, I need to like start covering these puppies, but hey guys, it's Chazzy Wood. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys at home are all keeping safe. So I just want to extend a special welcome to all the returning Chazzy Wooders. Love you guys. And to all the new guys, welcome to the fam. On this channel, we do a lot of shimming. By we, I mean I probably have been exposing a bit too much flesh these days. If you hate the flesh exposure, please smash the dislike button. But if you don't mind it as much, feel free to press the like button and continue to subscribe. So today I thought I'd make something ever so slightly light-hearted, and I think I might call it the most boring lockdown haul whatsoever. You guys are like, what is she on about? This. I went out today for just a couple of hours. It's called, what did I do? I broke my work computer, so I had to drop it off at the UPS point, and I had to go to like the next kind of like little mini town, borough thingy-majig, whatever it's called. So I picked up some things because I keep watching people in quarantine like redoing their houses, redoing their flats, spending an absurd amount of money, like 20k, and I'm like, as mere mortals, we're watching what's going in and out of our bank accounts, or so I think, and a lot of us are just trying to like get through this. Excuse me. Anyway, a lot of us are trying to get through this without getting sick. We're looking after our families, we're looking after our friends, and I hope we're looking after our community. Anyway, without any further ado, I'm gonna crack on with showing you guys what I bought home. The world's most boring coronavirus lockdown haul ever. So let's get started. Since lockdown, my flat has not smelled like my flat after about week 2 because all my smellies ran out. So this is still okay. This is the one that I did from the last Primark haul. Let me just... Still smells good. I had to basically go to Wilko's so I could top up on my smellies. So what did I buy? I got this pink and black pepper reed diffuser. I might need to insert it because I've got my lights on because it's dark and today's just been a generally miserable day and someone's put me in such a foul mood. So I'm just trying to not lose it because I was like, I don't even want to film it. And then I was like, the filming is fun. And I put my face on and then I saw that my skin was glowing. Oh my god. I look like I have married into money. I hope this actually translates as well on camera and it's just not being me and it's not just me being full of myself for no reason. But my skin's looking good, I've been having good sleep, I've been exercising, there's no pollution outside. So I feel like I got my 2020 summer glow together. But enough about me being full of myself. So yeah, so I got this pink pepper and black rose reed diffuser. Where am I going to put this one? I'm going to put this one on the hallway because I do like that to smell because now that is out. And then I also get this mandarin. So how much was this one? So I think this was like £5. And then I love the smell. This is like mandarin and ginger. It's Wilko's own super cheap brand. I keep this in my bathroom because it just has that nice fresh smell. And when you go do your business, it keeps everything smelling neutral, and that's what you need when you're at home all on your own, where you just kind of go into your bathroom and you can't blame nobody for the stench. So I cannot wait to put this in my bathroom because this is honestly like one of my favorite smells ever for the bathroom. But more importantly, like I've got a candle that I got from like Say No's and it's not doing the job. It doesn't give me any joy. It doesn't give me any fragrance. When I go out for my run and I come back in, my house doesn't even smell. Like, I'm not used to the struggle life. And I paid £5 for it as well. Why do I pay so much? I'm not getting the enjoyment it's supposed to give me. So I'm into my house, Wilko's. Oh my god, I got this massive one. This was like £5. It's packaged so pretty, guys. It's 450 grams, £5, and it's one of those 3 little stem ones. It smells good, it smells good. So this is the pink pepper and black rose. I don't know how it's gonna burn yet, but I'm super, super excited. The other one that I bought is this one, which is fresh basil and garden mint. Oh my god, it smells very like refreshing and very summery or springy. So I am going to start off by using this one. Yeah, definitely will start off by using this one. I'm going to light it shortly. I also bought this. This is like my Bayless hand wash. I basically don't buy any anti-bag hand washes because I am a sick individual. But my thing is, this is one I like. It doesn't dry my hands out too much. And if you wash your hands for 20 seconds, all the dirt goes away. Remember that, fam, 20 seconds, which is why some of us who are a bit touched in the head are still using glitter hand washes. Got the Colgate, keep our teeth white, Colgate Smile. Usually I buy a bougie toothpaste, but I was like, this is 99p, let's just buy it. Next up, I love these so much. I bought 2 of them. These are the mandarin and ginger candles, scented candles. They're £3 each. Oh my god, they're so fresh. They're £3 each. I buy them from Wilco's. When I had a look on Amazon, because I wanted to get similar things, everyone basically has a whole bunch of these. They repurpose them with different packaging, although the box is still the same, and it's pretty much still the same. And I buy these for £3, and how heavy are they? So the burn time is approximately 30 hours, and they burn till the very last second. This is 170 grams. I was seeing these going for £7 on Amazon, and I couldn't justify that. What did I buy? We got these. These are sponge scourers. I got 10 of them. They're ideal for general cleaning, removing stains on baked goods. Ideal for general cleaning, removing stains and baked on foods. There we go. So this is what I use to wash my pots and pans. Nah, nothing exciting there. What else did we buy? Oh, let's get on to this. Fairy liquid. Oh my god. This is my jams, and I always get the one that's 780 mils. Why? I've got no time to be buying like the small ones. Like, why am I going to the supermarket every other week because mine's run out? So I tend to buy them in this massive, big, bulky thing, and it just means I have to buy one every like 6 months or so. And it's always a good idea not to be going to the shops every day. Oh my god, so this actually, if you guys aren't onto the shout, it's like a stain remover. Just get onto it. Spray this, everything's back and fresh. Makeup marks, spray this, everything's good. And as you guys know, this is what I use on my reusable bamboo wall pads, and it just keeps everything nice and fresh and clean. So if you're wondering how to keep your whites looking white and how to keep things and stains away, this is your stuff. Oh, this Lenore stuff is so good. Oh my god, it is so refreshing. So I love this bougie ass stuff. It's slightly expensive, but it's always on offer, so you can always get a good bargain on it. I use it on all my clothes and my sheets, and I love it when I put on my new sheets every weekend, because they always smell lovely and fresh, courtesy of Lenore. And then what other random nonsense did I buy? Deodorant 1, deodorant 2. For some reason, I smell. I don't even know why I smell, but I smell. So I was like, let's buy 1, let's buy 2. So I was just like, one thing that lockdown has taught me is, I am good for like 90% of the things, but when the 5% of things that I buy in piecemeals, when those things go away, my goodness, they mess about with me. So where you can like mini bulk by being 2, I will get 2. And I got them from 2 different shops, so I didn't feel guilty. I should have bought 2 of these, but I needed my body mop / exfoliate, like the one I've got in the bathroom I've had for too long. I dread to think what bugs and dead skin and nonsense is in there, but no more. I never thought I would actually miss this, By the way, we're almost done. I never thought I'd actually miss this, but I've got some assistant blocks. My toilet water, when I flush it, it has to be purple, pink, blue or green. Otherwise, I just don't think like I'm enjoying it. I don't know why. So I will be chucking these in when I do my massive clean. I haven't seen these available in any shop for so long. I didn't even know that they were still available. When I saw them, I looked at them, I was like, oh, can I have one? And then I have another one. What is it I'm on about? Anti-back hand gel. Oh. So these are like strawberry. Oh my god, they actually smell really, really nice. I got these from Superdrug because I popped into Superdrug because I needed like some bits to make myself look presentable. So these, actually they're not, it's not sticky, and I don't think it's drying my hands just yet. How long is it meant to last for? So fast acting formula, yeah, that's good. It's strawberry and raspberry flavored, and it kills 99.9% of bacteria in seconds. So I guess it's all dead. And then coming to the end of it, right now I am wearing like crusty eyelashes. You guys can't see them, but I'm tired of recycling eyelashes. So I got my Wispy Demi multi-pack, and yeah, 4 pairs, 16 quid later, I'm happy. I could have gotten cheaper on Amazon, but I was just like, convenience. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. It was very silly of me. I am gonna have a really fun proper haul. I just wanted to get in front of the camera, film, exercise some creativity. This is not the business video I'm going to tell you to watch, but this is normality, I guess. And if you're watching people doing crazy hauls, don't. Baby girl and baby boy, we got bills to pay, we're gonna look after ourselves. And just keep safe, keep spending sensibly, choose your pick, which I guess for mine is smellies. And I did kind of like go a bit crazy with my stuff, but this is probably gonna last me now the next 3 months or so. So I don't feel bad, but I'm gonna come to you with like a fun haul. And I started getting things bit by bit, and I'm trying not to like open them because I wanna do like a first impressions as well. So toodles guys, till next time. Love you loads, Chazzy Wood. Mwah, mwah, mwah.